Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your password on Fandango. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in fandango.com and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Fandango. Now if you're logged into your account already, you can click on the account icon at the top right corner to directly access your dashboard. But if you're not logged in, you might need to sign in after clicking on this account. So continue with logging into your account and click on the account button at the top right corner and you will be taken into your dashboard. Now from your dashboard, in order to change your password, simply click on account settings and you will be taken into your account settings page. Simply scroll down from this page and you will find the change password button. Go ahead and click on it and now you will be asked to enter your current password first. So type in your current password and then enter your desired new password in the new password section. Finally, enter your new password once again to confirm it and then you can click on the save button and now your new password will officially be changed on Fandango. Now if you log out from your account, then you will be able to use your new password to log in once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your password on Fandango. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.